Hello everybody and welcome to my Halloween makeup tutorial or something like that. I have something to say. I lost all of this footage. I lost my SD card and I recorded 2 Halloween makeup videos. They should have both been out last week, but since I lost the SD card, everything is just it's a mess. It's a mess over here. Why are the SD cards so small? Anyway, getting back on track. I'm not very good at this whole tutorial thing, so I'll give you a quick rundown of what I've done. I have some face paint, various cheap makeup, lip pencils, red lipstick, and lip gloss, and I pretty much just layer that on my face, create shadows with darker colors, use the face paint for highlights, and yeah, at the very end of all of it, I use honey mixed with paint to make fake blood. And yeah, I think the effect comes out cool. It looks almost realistic. I mean, I don't know, it's pretty close to it. I used to make different face painting pictures. I used to love face painting and costume makeup, and somewhere I have pictures of a couple of photo shoots where I painted other people's faces. They were a lot of fun to do. Yeah. It's fun to paint your face. I would love to see Halloween costumes from other people. That would be cool. Maybe I'll have to post some stuff on Twitter. Oh, and stickers have been successfully made. I want to make a video showcasing the stickers. I don't have very many of them though, but I would love to get them out there into the world. Bread Daddy stickers for everybody. But yeah, Halloween is just right around the corner. Oh, I'm not ready. I'm so not ready. I don't even know what to be for Halloween this year. Questions. This video. I feel bad. It should have been out last week. I wanted to have a couple of videos about face painting and options for Halloween, and I didn't do it. I failed myself. I failed all of you. Hopefully you can forgive me. I can't believe I lost the SD card. I'm so mad. Anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video. I hope maybe it was helpful in some way. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you all have a safe Halloween and yeah, have fun, have a good time. As always, safe travels, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!